Good evening to all of you. I hope all of you are keeping safe. In these times of Corona, we as a society must be alive and sensitive towards the nutritional needs of certain sections of the society. These sections of the society are needy, are vulnerable, and need help from all of us collectively. This can be pregnant and lactating poor mothers, our children in the orphanages, our old age people in the old age homes. So keeping in view the nutritional needs of all these sections, District Administration of Karaikal, in collaboration with Milk Cooperative Collate and CDPO, Child Development and Protection Officer, have come out with a scheme. Under this scheme, the residents and people of Karaikal can make donations at any of the Kole milk booth. By making these donations, they will be donating milk to all these needy and vulnerable sections of our society. Whether these are the poor pregnant and lactating mothers, the children in the orphanages, the senior citizens who are in need of help. So all these sections of society will benefit through these donations. These donations can be made at any of the 16 Collate milk booths. A certificate of appreciation will be given to you, and all the needy people will be covered through those donations. These people will be covered in a cyclical manner depending upon the quantum of donations which are received every day. First priority will be given to the poor pregnant and lactating mothers, and then other sections of the society can also be added depending upon the number of donations and the quantum of milk available in the Milk Cooperative Kole. I expect and I am hopeful that all the people of Karaikal will generously donate for making the availability of milk and ensuring that the nutritional needs of these sections are met and all these sections of society stay healthy. So I remain hopeful that all people of Karaikal will donate generously for this initiative. Another thing which I would like to highlight is that Health Department of Karaikal has started the 4th round of door-to-door surveillance. You must be aware that under the previous rounds, certain amount of information with respect to your health status, your travel history was collected by the health assistants. In this round, certain additional information with respect to anybody who is expected from outside Karaikal will also be collected. I request all my brothers and sisters and residents of Karaikal to kindly cooperate with our health workers on the ground so that this surveillance activity is completed in a smooth and an efficient manner. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay indoors.